Welcome to this video on how to update annotations for a standard organism that is already present on our server, the file-based update and a custom annotation using Annotations Manager. The Annotations Manager, accessible from the Annotations menu in the toolbar. It is the central interface for updating, adding or deleting any annotations. Upon launch, it displays all the annotations that are already downloaded in the installation. Here, by expanding Human build, you can see the pre-downloaded HG19 builds from our server. The annotations are organized in a tree hierarchy, making it easy to quickly find all annotations of a particular organism and build. With just one click on the annotations, you will be able to find the complete information such as name, source, package type, version, aliases, description of the annotations, and these notes can be easily copied. Annotations Manager also provides an export option in case of genes and transcript annotations in the right-click menu. This allows the user to make additions or deletions to the list outside and bring back the modified annotations into the tool. Now, we'll show how to update a standard organism from our server. Click on List or from the drop-down menu, From Server, to get a list of annotations that can be directly downloaded from the server. In Strand NGS, the time-consuming task of gathering annotations for data analysis is solved by our Annotations Manager. It contains an extensive list of annotations for standard organisms, some with multiple builds, gathered from various public databases. Here, by taking rice organisms as an example, expand the organism build, check the box corresponding to the annotation. On the update. It is important to download the required annotation packages for the organism you are working with before proceeding to the experiment creation. If you would like to run alignment, it is foremost to update gene and transcript, ATG reference and ATG reference index annotations. Note that these annotations are hosted on a standard server machine, and given that some of these, like the reference, are large, it may take a little while to download and load onto Strand NGS. Now our annotations are updated, we can check the same by expanding the build. We would like to mention that we package such annotations upon user's request as well. So, if you work with a particular organism and do not see annotations corresponding to it on our server, just drop us an email and we will package it for you. Now, we'll show how to update annotations using file-based update. Most of the time, the user-requested annotations are shared with the specific user as a file-based update. In those cases, this is how one can upload them into their local installation. If you have the annotations as an update or zip file, click on the small arrow. Beside List, select the option, From File. Here we have packaged annotation for a human organism in an update file. This will list the annotations available in the given file. Subsequent steps are similar to getting the annotation updates from the server. That check the box corresponding to the annotations and click on the update. If you would like to add annotations under specific build, you can right-click on the build and can add annotations of your interest by browsing the file and clicking on OK.